Duon bura mar DAP K koro walo jagoro mari ruok mar na Seth Panyako kaka jalno madhi laro komod bura ma Malava gitiko ma duon bura ne yiero ma dundo matarik 27 dwe mar 11 kane olanda yanga okang' ma kamano gaye ma DAP K Eugene Wamalwa lero ni Panyako ema umbe lach kendo ni malo mokalo kuom jogo mane olaro tikono kojelar komod bura no. DAP K ochiwo ne Seth Panyako tiko nyalodi kaachiel gi jal madhi laro komar MCA Makisa East Isaac Ayaya.
All right. Today we are very, very pleased to have received the report from the polling firm that we had contracted in our last management meeting. That report clearly shows that out of about 15 aspirants for the Malava parliamentary seat, there is one candidate who stands head and shoulders above all, and his name is Seth Ambusini Sindani Panyako. That report has today shown us very, very clearly that Panyako is not only leading in the Malava by-election that we are preparing for, he is leading in all the 7 wards of Malava constituency.
I want to assure the party and the people of Malava that I'm equal to the task. And I want to assure the party that people of Malava have decided to vote for DAP Kenya and to vote for me as the next member of parliament. I want to thank the party, and I want to assure you that the work now for bringing this seat home to DAP party and the United Opposition has officially begun today.